To install YouTube TV on Apple TV, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure your Apple TV is connected to the internet and you have a YouTube TV subscription. Start by going to the App Store on your Apple TV. You can do this by navigating to the home screen and selecting the App Store icon. Once you are in the App Store, use the search function to find the YouTube TV app. You can do this by selecting the search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass, and typing in YouTube TV using the on-screen keyboard or Siri remote. Select the YouTube TV app from the search results. Then click the Get button to download and install the app. Once the app is installed, select the Open button to launch the YouTube TV app. You will be prompted to sign in to your YouTube TV account. You can do this by selecting the Sign In button and entering your Google account credentials. If you have a Google account linked to your Apple TV, you may be able to sign in automatically. After signing in, you will have access to all the features and channels included in your YouTube TV subscription. To get the most out of YouTube TV on your Apple TV, make sure your device is running the latest software and you have a stable internet connection. You can also use the Siri remote to navigate the app and search for specific content. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully install YouTube TV on your Apple TV and start streaming your favorite content. Remember to always keep your app and device software up to date to ensure the best possible viewing experience.